On this episode, we're going to take a look at a cutie.
Talking about me, Dad?
She is cute. This is my daughter, Sam. No, I'll say it a bit slower. A QT. That is a quick tip. So, with no further ado, I'm Dave TTC. This is Dave's Cave, Australia. Let's get to it. On this episode, we're going to have a look at resizing. Sometimes you want something to be bigger. Other times you want it to be smaller. So, we're going to have a look at that. There's a couple of ways we can go about it. All right, so we have our trusty dinosaur, and we see when we highlight him that his size comes up 75 by 85. So there's a couple of things we can do here. We can stretch him, or we can pull him that way, and that takes him out of context of his shape. It's not keeping it locked in the ratio that he was. Now we'll just undo that. So we can stretch in one direction or the other, and sometimes that might be what we want to do. Another way we can do it is we can grab a corner and he will grow uniformly. But we'll go back. Another way we can do it is going up to the top of our screen here. And again, we can do it uniformly or abstractly. So let's say his width currently at 75. We know that we want to fit him in something that is 200. And we want to have 10 mil either side. So we want him to be 180. As easy as that. And accurate. For some reason, it's given us an extra 0.01, 0.001. Okay. Now, maybe the height, we want it to be different. The width we want to be 180, but we are dealing with, say, 150 in the height. So we've got a 200 by 150, and we want to have 10 mil off of that. So that brings us down to 130. So now instead of 139, we want it to be 130. So you'll see I've unlocked that. Now I can just come over here and type in 130, and we've just taken him a little bit out of his original ratio, but he would fit within the constraints of what we want. I hope that was beneficial to you. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching and remind you, like, subscribe and share. See you on the next one. Bye for now.